How can you increase your belief in yourself? Self-belief doesn't appear overnight. It's actually cultivated. And by being able to take a look at the things that you've accomplished throughout your life can give you the actual proof. And it can be as simple as some of the everyday tasks, finishing a book, making coffee. Some routine things can actually show you that you can accomplish a task when you set your mind on. One of the major pieces of the puzzle is you have to commit to the things that you have set forth so that you can actually make them happen. But reflecting on the previous and past things that you've done in your life are a testament of your actual abilities. So jot down some of your small wins. Every single win, no matter how small, is actually evidence. And you can show yourself this proof that you can and proof that you will be able to accomplish the goals that you set forth when you can actually take a look at some of the things that you've already accomplished. So cultivating self-belief comes from being able to review your own results of the things that you've actually already accomplished. And by doing so, you just prove over and over that if you just take one step in front of the other, you can continue and accomplish what you want.